BRIDGEND has been very innovative in the lead up to the Welsh Government's announcement on climate change. And what we want to do is to introduce the 2030 decarbonisation strategy into BRIDGEND that will take BRIDGEND Council to a net zero position.
I think everybody's aware at the moment, and has been for a number of years, about the issue of climate change. And what we at BRIDGEND are trying to do is to find the solutions for those challenges by the utilisation of a number of projects.
For us, the project started when we were a demonstration area for the Smart System and Heat programme in 2015. And from that programme, we developed a strategic direction for how to decarbonise BRIDGEND, and we created a smart energy plan for BRIDGEND, and that contains about 9 innovation projects. The first one is the BRIDGEND Town Heat Network project. We're also working on another heat network project which is highly innovative in Caira, which is using mine water. That particular project is European funded, so it's been funded by ERDF with the support of Welsh Government. We've then got an innovation project which is called Affordable Urban Heat Networks, which has been funded by the Welsh Government Innovation Team. So what we try to do with the SBRI project is a sort of a competition-led process, really, whereby we had a challenge, which was how do we make heat networks more affordable, both to build and to operate. And that went out to the market as a challenge, and we had bids back in from the market addressing that. So we've run it over 2 phases. Phase 1, we had 4 companies in, and we've taken 2 of those forward to demonstrate their ideas in phase 2. The support of Welsh Government has been hugely important in delivering all the projects within our smart energy plan, really. The Smart Living programme, as an example, has provided gap funding for us on occasions, which has helped projects keep moving, bring some projects forward to the point whereby we can develop them to access larger funding pots.
This isn't something that BRIDGEND can do on its own. Whilst the mandate that we have with our Welsh Government colleagues is for the public sector, we are a council with a borough full of residents, full of education providers, full of businesses and full of partners, other public sector partners. So we see this as very much a shared agenda. And what we want to do is to make sure we're learning lessons from each other and we're having a joined up approach in some of our endeavours. What we are designing now is not so much for us, because it'll take us a 10-year pathway to get this into place and really make an impact on carbon reduction. This is for our future generations, for our children and our children's children, creating a more sustainable, economic, better future.